Initiating simulation 022. The Great Disconnect. Day 1. It's not a slow fade, it's a sudden cardiac arrest. Every screen in the world goes black. Your money is gone. 92% of the world's currency exists only as digital code. Without the network, credit cards are plastic scrap. Day 3. The supply chain dies. Modern logistics rely on GPS and just-in-time delivery software. Food stops moving. Supermarkets run out of food in 48 hours. Panic buying begins. The cloud has evaporated, and it took your dinner with it. Day 7. The power grid fails. SCADA systems that manage electricity flow need the network to balance the load. The lights go out. The psychological withdrawal is severe. Billions of dopamine addicts go cold turkey instantly. We forget how to be alone. Month 1. Information becomes physical again. Libraries are raided. Paper maps become more valuable than gold. The global village is destroyed. We revert to local tribes. If you can't walk there, it doesn't exist. Simulation. Result? We built a digital nervous system, and then we lobotomized ourselves. Talk to your neighbors. End log.